In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to blur a photo background in Canva. Go to your Canva project now. Let's see how to upload our photo. So just go to your file explorer and drag and drop the photo in your Canva project and the photo will upload here. Now you can resize your photo according to your needs. Okay. Now select the photo and click on edit. And now we have to separate the subject from our background. So in this Magic Studio, you have to scroll and find out Magic Grab. Then click on Magic Grab and we can see this is a Pro feature. To use this feature, you must need to subscribe to Canva Pro. Select Magic Grab and now select here click. And now click on your subject to select. And then click on Grab. And it may take some moments to separate the subject from your background, so be patient in here. Once done, we can see the background successfully separated. Now it's time to make the background blur. So select the background and again go to edit, and this time under effects select blur and select whole image, and now increase this intensity to make your background blur. Once you're happy, just click on close and we can see the final result. Here we can see the before result and here we can see the after result. So that's how we can actually make our photo background blur in Canva. Thanks for watching.